Hi, welcome to another quick tutorial. Today we continue the 3D modeling tutorial series and we will be making a bookshelf. Let's get started. First, let's clean up. And let's start making a shelf. Sorry, I cheated again. My bad. Alright. And now we duplicate. Let's make a different shelf. 2.5 sounds about right. And 1, 2, 3, one more. Okay, now shelf. I know I've been eyeballing everything, but for this one, let's put it exactly 90. Let's put it middle. Great. All right. Now let's duplicate this. Good, we now have our shelf. Now, a bit too wide. That's good. Let's make it a little bottom to be more solid. Let's align the view. Now we're going to rotate it. So 90. Oh, my bad, wrong side. Nope. This one. Right. That looks nice. Oh, let's do the same thing with all the shelves. Put in some depth. There we go, we have a shelf. Now let's add a couple of things on them just to give it more life. Add. Oh, this one's funny. Great. Oh yeah, nice. Almost. I don't know what this is, it's just an object, so it looks nice. Okay, oh, and let's put some books now. Let's add cube, and let's add cylinder. Alright, this way. Alright, now we're gonna make a book out of this. My bad. It was a wrong view, my bad. So you can use the arrow to find the center of objects. Looks nice. And now let's scale this. Yeah, looks like a book. Let's rotate this. That's good. And it's okay if there's imperfection. It's going to make it more realistic. Higher. Thinner. We've got one book, and let's duplicate it. Two book. Three book, and let's go for a fourth. Oh, how about we tilt this one? That's about right. How about that? We now have a bookshelf with stuff on it. There you have it. A bookshelf. Oh, a Blender tutorial would not be complete without learning how to do a donut. So let's add a donut. There we go. Now it's a Blender tutorial. There's a donut. Let's make it smaller. There we go. Now it's complete. We now have a bookshelf, some books, some items on it, and you're now ready to tackle the next tutorial. I made a list of objects that we will be modeling, but if you want to suggest something else, please share in the comments. As always, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, and don't forget to save your work, because you will need it at the end of the tutorial.